Today, let us see how to make your own 3D model with animations. So let us type Avatar in Google Chrome browser and select on the first link. And if you don't have an account, just sign up. Or if you have, just sign into it. Click on Add New Avatar and choose New Face. And you can directly upload photos using a camera. Just scan the QR code in your mobile device, or you can directly upload the photos if you have the photos already. And we need three photos, which one front facing photo and left facing photo and right facing photo. You can directly select it from files and ensure that there is a good lighting and look straight into the camera when taking photos. And take off your glasses and tie your hair because the face should be shown in the photo. After it will take some time after uploading the photos, and you can pan or zoom in or move the camera to check your model, and you can um, select different body types, slim, fit, to muscular, and you and I am changing the skin tone correction means it will change the color to white to brown to white. I think it's perfect. Skin correction is perfect for the model. Check it until you get your original tone correction, and you can also change the body proportions, head proportion to the chest and chest to arms, like that. Select the correct proportions, otherwise the character will be like a anime character, like huge chest and small legs. You can always reset the body proportions to normal. And now we can also change the hair color, hairstyle, and down below you can also change the hair color to which you want to. But I chose only black color because all Indians hair color will be black. And there are so many different shades of hair color, and there is gold hairstyle also. You can see it's like Aristotle hairstyle. This and innocent hairstyle also. Select your select your favorite hairstyle and which suits your model. There are different types of clothes, and you can choose any of the clothes you want. Schoolboy to and Arab, normal looking to. There are so many cloth options you can choose from, and there are classes, but I don't like any classes here. They aren't suiting very well to our model. Can also I think you are also change the frame color here down below. I think I will go with this, and you can change the shoes. Don't, this old looking shoe will not be suited well. I think Nike, I think white will suit more to this outfit. And the favorite part is here the animations. You can do kinetic animations and normal stand in position animations. There are so many kinetic animations and in position animations. If you don't like this animations, you can go directly to Mixamo website and directly download the animation. I think the bone frames, yeah, without a skin, you can directly download from Mixamo. If you want There are many poses and animated poses, and you can also change the background. Just press the right arrow button on the top of it. You can choose there are some in around sound backgrounds, I think, and click on download button to download this model. This model will be available in only GLB format. You convert the GLB format into FPX format. Yeah, in there are so many change. You can change it from GLB to FPX using online tools. I think so. And after clicking, you can go to direct to Discord, and there is use bot here. If you don't have Discord app, just download it and create a new account and click on. After selecting the download button, there will be a accept invite button. You pop up and just accept the invite to join the Avatar channel and use like after joining the channel, go to how to use bot. After joining the channel in Avatar, just go to how use bot here channel and type slash Avatar to give command to the Avatar bot and type export GLB. After pressing enter, then it will generate a link, and clicking on that link, you can download that character for up to only 30 minutes. And after that, the link will be expired, and you can generate more links after it also. But the same process, but now here the link is not generated for you, but it will generate for you. And if you want to directly scan the screenshot of the model, you can directly send it by pressing that camera icon, and you can send it using your WhatsApp or any other social media app, and that's it for today video. Subscribe for more refined videos.